If you're a WordPress site owner or working with the WordPress data, chances are you might have to import your database to WordPress at some point. However, there's no built-in dashboard feature or tool to do this task. It might be confusing to figure out what to do next. Don't worry, we've got you covered. With years of experience working with the WordPress platform, we'll guide you step by step through two simple methods, using Adminer via a free plugin or using Lead extension. From there, you can choose which method suits you best. So let's get started. So let's start with a more traditional approach, using Adminer, one of the most popular open source database management tools. You can now access Adminer directly via your WordPress dashboard using free plugins like Database Manager. To begin, go to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Plugins. Next, search for Database Manager Adminer and install it on your site. Once done, you'll see the plugin listed on your Install Plugins page. Now, click Open WordPress Adminer right below the plugin name. This will give you immediate access to your WordPress database in Adminer. From there, click the Import button on the type to start the import process. The next step is to upload your database file. Make sure it's an SQL file, either in plain text or compressed format, and smaller than 2048 megabytes. You'll also see two additional options. Stop on error means the import process will stop immediately if any error occurs. Show only errors means the system will display only the failed queries and skip successful ones so you can identify issues faster. Feel free to turn them on or off depending on your needs. Finally, click Execute to start the import process. Once the database has successfully uploaded, you'll see confirmation messages on the screen. That's it. Now, as you can see, Adminer works perfectly fine for simple use cases like backup restoration or straightforward data transfer. But what if you're planning a full-scale migration to WordPress, where data import is just one part of the process? Or your data migration includes custom entities or complex structures that Adminer can't handle? In these cases, a more advanced solution is needed. That's where Lead extension comes in. Lead extension has over 15 years of experience working with more than 140 platforms, including WordPress. Therefore, you don't have to handle everything on your own. Our experts will take care of your entire migration process from start to finish. So, how does it work? First, you'll start with a consultation with our migration experts. We'll discuss and confirm your requirements for a successful migration to WordPress. Next, we move on to the setup phase. Our team will set up your WordPress store, deploy the necessary tools, and create the appropriate environment for the migration. Finally, we'll continue with the full migration. Once the migration is completed, we perform multiple rounds of testing to ensure that all data has been transferred accurately. And of course, our support doesn't stop there. During the post-migration period, we provide comprehensive support services, including unlimited recent data migration, unlimited smart updates, 2 free remigration, and 60 days of technical support. So that's how you can import your database to WordPress using these two methods. To quickly recap, if you're handling a simple database import or backup restoration, Adminer is the fastest and straightforward option. However, if you're dealing with a more complex migration with custom data requirements, Lead extension is the better choice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on data import, export, and migration. And we are Lead Extension, your trusted e-commerce migration expert.